How do you trap the sea without a fridge? Sardines travel in schools captured in minutes. Goal is speed. Freshness is a clock. Cold stops spoilage before it starts. From ship to shore, still racing the clock.
Near freezing air so the oils stay clean and not rancid. Preservation needs a partner edible oil built for stability.
Sauce brings acid and solids, another way to protect flavor. The container is manufactured with the same precision as the food.
Fish oil saw steel converging at one line.
Now the transformation begins.
Incoming fish are judged before machines touch them.
Temperature tells you how fast bacteria could move.
From here, the factory controls time, speed, and heat. Uniform size means uniform cooking and a consistent can. Wash removes surface slime that heat would bake in. Speed matters, but precision matters more.
This is where clean becomes real.
Salt tightens texture and lays down the first layer of preservation.
Less surface water means better oil and sauce control.
Pre-cooking sets the flesh so it will not fall apart in the can. Heat drives off moisture, concentrating flavor.
Cooling stops cooking exactly where they want it.
Humans still guard the final look. The line cannot pause cans, move like bullets.
A clean can protect the seal from failure.
Any interior flaw can become corrosion and contamination. Weight and arrangement start here. Presentation still sells even in an industrial food. Small additions, big impact after months in a sealed can.
Oil displaces air and carries flavor into every gap. Sauce brings acid, another tool against spoilage.
Before sealing, they push oxygen out.
Milliseconds decide whether a can lives or leaks.
This seam is the can's oath. Nothing in, nothing out. They destroy samples to protect millions.
Clean exteriors prevent rust and keep labels bonded.
Now, it's not cooking for taste, it's cooking for safety.
Pressure lets temperature climb above boiling without bursting the can. Heat penetrates steel oil sauce, killing what time would grow. Cool too fast, and seams stress cool right, and they last years. Dry metal prevents corrosion under the label. They wait because failures show themselves with time. Anything abnormal gets removed fast. The last check is simple. Does it look and eat the way it should? Now it becomes recognizable without changing what is inside. From single meal to global shipment. A year of shelf life built into a few millimeters of metal. Cold chain brought the fish here, now steel takes over. What you buy is time-captured flavor, ready on demand. From ocean school to sealed steel, and this is how sardines last.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.